Hello, my name is Ryan Gisello, and today I'd like to show you my latest creation. It's an LED matrix with a little light on top. Wow! But you might as well also see that no, you can't. I have a Raspberry Pi back here that's powering it, and I have a breadboard here with a couple of buttons on it. I have up, down, left, and right. I have a middle button, and I have 3 other buttons. What does this do? Oh no. Play mode's enabled. Well, it does that for a start. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So you can, oh, what's that? Let me put it back into rainbow mode or something. Ooh. So what you can do is, oh God, this is so hard. There we go. So what you can do is you can draw with it. You can go down and then go back. This is so hard to look at while I'm doing it. Go back and then draw it back up. Oh my God, I'm dumb. And then, there we go. Yay! But that's not the only thing this can do. If you press the play, there's 2 different modes. There's the play mode and there's the edit mode. In the edit mode, as you can see, there's not really much you can do other than you can also change the color palette too. That might be a little too bright on camera. I don't know. But you can change it between different color palettes, like this and this one. And then you can change the color mode itself. Here's a all white one, here's a rainbow one, and here's the color palette one. What you can do also is, we go back into play edit mode, is you can press the play button and the next frame to duplicate the frame. So now we have 2 frames, and for fun, let's toggle these off. Oop. And so now we have this. We have a little talking animation here. And if we go into play mode, we can see that it actually plays it. And you can press the next frame and the previous frame buttons to speed it up. So now it's talking a lot faster. There's many different things you can do with this. Obviously, you can make like a whole, you can make like bad apple if you wanted to. If you want to put your entire time into inputting every single frame, obviously you wouldn't want to do that time-wise, but you can. I'll show some other features of it as well. For instance, you can create more frames. So now if we go into play mode, now he's just talking some of the time. And if we can also delete frames too. And then now once we play it, it's the only frame we have. He's not doing anything anymore. I think that's most of the features that I have in store. Oh, there's more color palettes too. It's not just this one. This is the orange, blue, and white one. If you go into play mode and press the pen button, and then another color, press the play button, and then go into another color, you get 4 more color palettes you can choose from. And shout outs to anyone who actually knows where these color palettes come from. Fairly recent. But I think that's it. You can delete frames, you can add frames, you can draw on them, you can do whatever you want. And yeah, it's a pretty cool tool. and you can set it to display wherever you want because it's just a flat thing that you can just attach to a wall. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and I'll leave like code in the the description of this video, and I'll leave like a parts list for you to actually put this together, and probably like a schematic or something. I don't know. See ya. So we have our little animation here, and what we can do is we can, if you press the play button and the pen button, you can save it to a file. And now when you run the file, you have to specify which file, and if it doesn't exist, it makes it for you. So we have right here our hello phone file, and what we can do is we can load it. If we see it in a hex editor, we can see that there's some data in it. How the data is stored is that it stores it like this is a byte, and then this is a byte, this is a byte, and then this is a byte, and so on and so forth for every single frame and for all frames of the animation. And so then once you press like Control C to, press Control C, shuts it off, and now you can run it again, and hey, there it is. I mean, there's like different frames, but you get the idea. It saves it, which is very cool.